I think that will be the death knell for them. I think vaccines and childhood vaccines, unless they turn the corner now, it is going to be the death knell for legacy media.
Well deserved.
And well deserved. And then finally, to build on your first point, unlike every other product, the market self-corrects. You don't often have to do your own research. You don't have to think too hard about whether your oven's going to explode.
Or your car.
Or
right?
your car's going to explode, as they used to, until they were sued because they wouldn't install this really little backstopper in their gas tanks because they literally had done an internal calculation. You know this famous case with the Pinto? They had done an internal calculation that they would pay less out for like the dozen or two deaths every year from the gas tank exploding than to replace the gas tank on all cars. Okay, but they were held accountable in court and they replaced the gas tank.
And then look how fast that
you
happened.
don't have to worry about, these building materials, if they cause cancer, right? The market self-corrects for products that cause harm. There's only one product it's not going to self-correct for, and that's vaccines. And that is why you do have to do your own homework. People are like, well, I don't have time. I got a busy life. I get it.
No.
I get it. But on this product, you cannot just rely on the market self-correcting. It won't. And that's also part of why I wrote my book.
Yeah, and you can't rely on, unfortunately, there are, and I know many great doctors, but you can't just rely on your doctor to tell you the truth.
I would say they're often not lying, okay? It is because they don't know the truth. And I will tell you why. People think of doctors, pediatricians, especially immunologists and infectious disease experts as very knowledgeable on vaccines. And I will tell you, I've deposed all of these folks, okay? They don't know almost anything about vaccines. The only ones who know much about vaccines are doctors who've actually researched them. And let me tell you, those doctors are typically not giving vaccines anymore, okay?
Yeah, because there's nothing like the facts to get in the way of a good narrative.
Yeah, as long as they're willing to intellectually engage with it. And then there's the vaccinologists. Okay, this is a small little cabal of these folks. And really, that is what the rest of the medical profession looks to when it comes to vaccines. And that's what I explain all in my opening of my book, is that it's the vaccinologists who really set what everything, what then the pediatricians, the infectious disease doctors, immunologists, the CDC, ACIP, all of them follow is what the vaccinologist put out there. And who are these vaccinologists? I've deposed some of them.
Yeah.
I've deposed the world's leading one, Dr. Stanley Plotkin. I've deposed a few of them.
That's Plotkin, right?
Plotkin is the world's leading vaccinologist. Anybody who wants to watch all 9 hours of my deposition on thehighwire.com, you can go watch it and you can judge for yourself. Everybody says, I want to see the vaccine debate. You want to see the debate? Go watch the deposition.
Yeah.
There it is. There's the debate. There's me, 9 hours with the world's leading vaccinologist going through vaccine safety, and you can judge for yourself whether you think that vaccines are safe and effective.